Good morning, good afternoon. This is to show you how we are going to install the AIRBNK lock into a door without having to change this type of cylinder, which uses this type of key. I'm going to show you. This is a key that opens. It can close 2 times, and we are going to install without having to change the cylinder. This part shows how the key was converted. The original key was converted into an adapted key where we have cut, certain parts of the key. If you cannot do that, you have to ask a key professional to do that. You can see here already the device that was screwed into the door. Depending on the size of the key that you have adapted, you will have to use this adapter, or you can use it without it. I'm going to put it without the adapter. Okay, it depends on the length of the key that you have cut. I'm not going to use this device. I'm going to put it directly here. Now I'm going to put the key. Okay, and now I'm going to put the AIRBNK directly here. In order to adjust, I'm going to put it here and turn it here. Once it's in place, I'm going to turn the screw for it not to fall. Okay,